Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I was just on my phone watching some gardening, and I was searching up because potatoes are ready to harvest next month. I was asking Google about signs of harvest. Good year, people. Asking Google signs of harvest and turning yellow, and as you see, the leaves are turning yellow. This bush was darker green, and it's slowly turning yellow. And it is dying off. So, I thought I'd harvest these potatoes. The ones behind me over there, they're not ready yet. Yeah, I'm excited to see, so let's get to the harvest. Let's do this. '25 harvest begins. So my plan is to either tip it on here and tip the soil back in there, or just pull. Ho! Look at that, guys. Our first potato. That is sick. Okay, we have got some small ones. It's because it's in a flower pot. Well, there's the seed potato. We've got a lot of small ones. That's tiny. Yeah, I'm not expecting a good size out of here, to be honest. That's the seed potato. Let's just keep on farming all these potatoes then. It's a good amount, to be honest, and there's only, in this flower pot, there's only 3 potato seeds. I'd have to take it. Okay, here we go. It's a lot of small ones. I don't think I'll plant potatoes in this flower pot again, to be honest. Again, decent sizes though. And this is, let's drag onto there, break this up to make sure we don't have any more. 2. Potato seed number 3. And let me just count how many we got. Out of 3 potato seeds, we got 42 potatoes, but they're tiny. So this is some of our potatoes. Some of my potatoes I've grown. This is not all of them. There's a lot more. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, where we'll harvest the bigger group of potatoes. Potatoes. I got my gardening box ready. Gosh, webs in there. Gardening box ready. I got my tarp ready. I got the potatoes ready. So let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is, let me just clip this mic on. First thing we're gonna do is get this knife. I just cut all the branches so we can kind of see what we're working with. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So we have now cut all the branches. There they are. Here's where it all starts. So I'm going to grab this branch and hope that I've cut them like this, so if you can just grab them and pull them, and if no potatoes come up, I'm going to have to tip it onto the top, but I'm hoping not to do that. Let's try. Oh, okay, never mind. Looks like we're gonna have to do that then. Hey, here we go. That's one potato. Two. Okay, we got some small ones. And at the end of the video, I will put down what's our heaviest potato in kilos, and what's our small potato, and how many potatoes we have made or harvested. Great, I don't really have maize. So we have now harvested all the potatoes, put all the soil back there, and I'm just going to rake up all this dirt that we spilled on the floor. Is Potato Harvest 2025 done for this year, and I'm hoping to plant more potatoes next year. So stay tuned for next year.